everyone, it's Mindy from MommyMouseClubhouse.com, and in this video, I'm going to share with you my recipe for these delicious and gooey S'mores Rice Krispie Treats. This easy dessert is perfect for summer picnics and potlucks or just a fun treat. The full written recipe with ingredient amounts will be in the description of this video, as well as a link to the printable version at MommyMouseClubhouse.com. Please make sure you are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss any new recipes, and let's get started. Here are the ingredients that you'll need. 4 cups of Rice Krispies cereal, 3 cups of Golden Grahams cereal, 1/2 cup of butter, 1 16-ounce package of mini marshmallows, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 6 Hershey chocolate bars. Begin by spraying a 9x13 baking dish with non-stick cooking spray and/or lining the bottom with a piece of parchment paper. Then set that aside for later. Break the Hershey bars into small squares and set those aside for later as well. Remove about 2 cups of mini marshmallows from the package to save for later. Melt the butter in a large skillet over medium heat. Then add the package of marshmallows to the butter and continue to stir over medium-low heat until smooth. Remove the mixture from the heat and stir the vanilla extract into the melted marshmallows. Add the Rice Krispies and the Golden Grahams cereal to the marshmallow mixture and stir to coat. Gently fold in 1½ cups of the reserved marshmallows. Pour half of the cereal mixture into the prepared pan and spread to the edges in an even layer. Place 2/3 of the chocolate pieces evenly over the cereal, then top with the rest of the cereal mixture. Place the remaining 1/3 of the Hershey chocolate squares over the top of the treats, as well as the remaining marshmallows. Place a piece of wax paper over the treats and lightly press the marshmallows into the warm treats. Allow the treats to cool and then cut into bars and serve. I hope you love these S'mores Rice Krispie Treats as much as we do. The full recipe is in the description below, as well as a link to the printable version at MommyMouseClubhouse.com. Remember to subscribe and hit that like button, and I'll see you next time.